Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Peter Olwatch is my name, and I want us to address a number of questions. One question that I was asked in my Telegram channel by a guy called Dan So. Dan So wanted to know what is the minimum number of shares you can buy. The minimum number of shares you can buy. The answer is very simple. 100 shares. You can buy 100 shares. Whether you are buying Equity Bank, 100 shares. Safaricom, 100 shares. KCB, 100 shares. Uchumi, 100 shares. And by the way, Uchumi supermarket is still listed, even though it's crumbled and almost buried. It's still listed at the Nairobi Securities Exchange. And the most or the cheapest share at the Nairobi Securities Exchange is Uchumi supermarket. One share is 23 cents. So if you want to buy 100 shares, then you pay 23 shillings. The other cheap shares is like KPLC, Kenya Power and Lighting Company. 100 shares, one share is about 1 shillings and 40 cents. So 100 shares is 140 shillings. The most expensive share is Kiruitu Ventures. One share is 150, 1,500. So 100 shares will be 150,000 shillings. The second most expensive share is BAT. One share is about 470. 100 shares will be 47,000. The other share that you can buy is East African Breweries, EABL. One share is about 180 shillings. And 100 shares will be about 18,000 shillings. So ladies and gentlemen, there are many shares you can buy in the Nairobi Securities Exchange. There are 60 shares you can buy. And the minimum you can buy is 100 shares. And the maximum shares you can buy, there is no maximum. If you have billions and millions and billions and trillions, you can buy everything. There is no minimum. There is no maximum. The maximum is limited by you and by how much money you have. So ladies and gentlemen, remember the minimum you can invest in the Nairobi Securities Exchange is 23 shillings, which is by buying 100 shares of Uchumi supermarket. Or 140 shillings, which you do by buying 100 shares of KPLC. There is no reason why you should not invest in the stock market. All of us can invest in the stock market. All of us can start the journey of investing in the stock market, and all of us can be rich in the stock market. We can all be millionaires. In fact, I tell people that if you save 1,000 shillings for 12 months, for times 10 years, or rather times 20 years, you will have 10 million shillings. And this is a very good thing that you can do, you can save for your children. If you have a small baby now, and you plan that in 20 years or 15 or 18 years, the child will be going to college,